Hi guys, how are you doing? I'm doing great. I am still in Italy because I cannot go back to Singapore. I hope I can go back soon and I'm fine. I'm here. Everything is great. And I want to give you a short update because, as you know, my internet connection is not so good. So, just 1-2 minutes update what I've been doing last month. As you know, probably, and if you don't know, you can look at the videos in my channel. I do mainly trading in the US market and then long-term investing for US market and Singapore market, especially REITs. So what did I do in these three categories? Number one, trading, I did nothing. Why? Because if you look here, the S&P, yes, we are in a short-term uptrend, but we are still in a medium-term downtrend because you can see the price is still below the 200 moving average, the red line, and the 50 is still below the 150 sloping down. So technically we are still in a downtrend, but the short-term uptrend is up. You can see the EMA 20 is above the 40, so is a mixed signal. I prefer do nothing. Singapore REITs doing very well. I have to say I have accumulated many shares of especially Capital and Mall, Fraser Logistic and Commercial, and Ascendas REIT. So strong REITs that were down a lot, but now they are recovering. And this is not, just to clarify, a suggestion to buy or sell anything. It's just what I've been doing this month. And finally, for the long-term investing in the US, as you can see, the trend was up. I do mainly ETFs, so I've been accumulating shares of the main ETFs as well. So this is the update, and I have to, as you know, cut it short because of my problem with internet. But this is just to tell you that everything is fine. This is what I've been doing in the market, and I will update you again soon. See you and stay safe.